Do you have a Binance app or account? Don't worry, it's free. Hey, future millionaires and NXT billionaires in the making. If you're serious about leveling up your financial game and dreaming of a life where you can travel the world and enjoy a free lifestyle, you're in the right place. This is NXT Billionaire, and today we've got something game-changing for you. Imagine a life where your finances aren't just numbers on a screen, but the key to unlocking the world. I'll share how we've found a way to turn that dream into reality in just a moment. I'm your guide on the road to financial success. Stay tuned, and you'll discover the secret to turning dreams into reality. But don't just take my word for it. Look at these success stories. Everyday people turn small investments into financial freedom. That's the power of the platform we'll be revealing shortly. Now, let me show you why this bot stands out. A revolutionary trading bot has been introduced and is making money for users on this platform. It is a game changer that makes trading accessible to everyone, even those without extensive knowledge. With this trading bot, all you need to do is set it and forget it. It simplifies the trading process, making it easy for everyone. There's no need to be glued to your screen. Let the bot work for you. To get started, all it takes is a capital of at least $100, along with a minimal bot fee. And here's the exciting part. The bot isn't renewable until it has made you 6 times the rental cost. That's putting your money to work for you. Now, you might be wondering about safety. Rest assured, this bot is a trust company verified by Binance. Your capital is secured in your Binance account, giving you peace of mind. Create your Binance account using the link below or in my bio. Even if the unexpected were to happen, your capital is safe. Binance, a platform you can trust, ensures the security of your assets. Your financial journey with this trading platform under Binance is in good hands. The question I want to ask you is simple. If you're ready to break free, if you're interested in taking that step towards financial freedom, comment, "I'm interested." Your journey begins with a simple action. Now, here's the exciting part. By signing up through my link below, you'll not only gain access to this powerful trading bot, but also enjoy exclusive benefits and bonuses. It's our way of saying thank you for joining our team on this financial journey and taking that first step towards your dream lifestyle. But before we continue, here's a crucial financial warning. I am not a financial advisor. The information shared in this video is for educational purposes only. Always do your own research and consider consulting with a qualified financial professional before making any investment decisions. Simply click the link in the description or your financial future awaits. And with this bot, you're not just investing, you're investing in your dreams. The platform that can turn your financial dreams into reality is none other than comment, "I'm interested," and I will guide you through all the steps to the bot itself. Let's start making money. Like I said, you don't have to be expected to do this. Just make your decision and let the bot do the rest. See you in the next video. NXT Billionaire.